roasted garlic here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze that right on the buns there and just rub that head of garlic right in there so all of that garlic oil gets saturated right into that bun here. And now we're going to take this bun and smash it right onto these meatballs here. Got these meatballs, and now we're going to take another one of our garlic knots, open it up, and we're going to take roasted garlic and squeeze it right onto the bun, and then give it a rub and get that roasted garlic in there nicely. And then onto our meatballs and smash all of that flavor together. Take this rack and we're gonna flip, and those burgers are pressed perfectly into the garlic knots. We're gonna transfer it over to our plancha here. Season all of these patties with salt and pepper for a little bit of a kick there. And now we're going to take that garlic butter and we're going to put a generous amount onto our plancha here. And now we're going to start searing nicely. Right, and now some extra crunch. We're going to hit these with a nice Parmesan skirt around the outside. All right, we're finished getting our Parmesan skirts on all these, and now we're going to flip them because they're ready to be flipped. And look at that beautiful Parmesan skirt there. And now we're going to do marinara sauce. See, we're going with a pizza theme here. And cheese. And now caramelized onions to sweeten it up. We want this to be extra cheesy, so we're going to go with another slice of cheese right on top. And now we take the top of our garlic burger knots. We're doing double meat, double cheese right on top. We've got the double burger. And now we're going to put it on our cutting board. And let's cut into this bad boy and see what we've got here on the inside. Beautiful, our double smashed pizza burger. The best of both worlds here. We've got our garlic knots with Parmesan cheese, pizza sauce, mozzarella. And now I'm going to take a bite. Wow. That's fantastic. It's the best of both worlds. Pizza and burgers, how can you go wrong? That's phenomenal.
And now it's time to grill. Onions caramelizing, and now we're going to put our meat on top. We're going to press down, pull this off. Now we're going to add on some cheese. We're going to press our meat down into the caramelized onions. I want to get some good color on the meat. And now we're going to flip it over. Smash burger, and we're going to give it a flip. Then now we're going to cut it into 3. And now it's time for a new take on a hamburger bun. Hamburger buns with a twist. We have our tortilla dough. We're going to roll it out. And then we're going to stretch it onto our ladle. You can stretch it just to the edges, like this. Press it down. All the way around, and now into our sesame seeds. For that hamburger bun touch. Noodles right out of the freezer, and we're gonna plunge them into hot oil. Slowly lower your ladle down into the oil and stir it around efficiently. Watch out for popping sesame seeds. You can help detach the dough. And now we're going to take our hamburger bun out of the oil. Time for the fries. Can never have too many fries. We're going to put in some lettuce, tomato, and our cheeseburger. Now a little mayonnaise. And some ketchup.
Do open that up. I'm gonna take one of these. Yes, it's raw, but just wait. This is gonna be nice and fun. Come over here with our signature barbecue spice. And now we're gonna take our stuffed little sliders and we're gonna go right onto a hot pan here, medium-high heat, and we're gonna sear these burgers just like so. And now I've got some bacon here. 2 more pieces right down the center to create a nice square shape. We're gonna take cheddar cheese now and we're gonna sprinkle all around it, and that cheese is gonna melt into a nice circle. Now we've got a nice char on there, some nice crispy crust. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place these on the perimeter following our square shape. Look at that beautiful char here. Now we've got a nice little gap on the inside. It's a fun little way to do some burgers here. And now we're just gonna take a spatula, and take our cheese, and fold it right up over the sides, just like so. And tuck the corners in. All right, we're done sealing our cheese border. We've got a nice little purse of burgers there. Now we're gonna move on to a cheese sauce. So we've got some nice beer here. Gonna put 1 entire bottle of beer into our nice hot pot here. And I've got cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna go right into our boiling beer with our cheddar cheese. And to spice things up and give it some nice color, jalapenos, let's put them all in there. And now, whisk it around, making a beer jalapeno cheddar cheese sauce. All right, our beautiful beer cheddar cheese jalapeno sauce is evenly incorporated. And now, we're gonna fill this well up with cheese sauce. Look at that cheddar cheese and those jalapenos in there. Beautiful. Now we've got a little dipping well for our French fries, and I'm gonna go right in and give this a try. Excellent. The spiciness from the jalapenos really elevates that cheese sauce. Man, and the beer in there really brings it all together. For the cheese on the outside, it brings a whole new innovative variation to burgers, and the bacon on the bottom makes it extra crispy. I use brioche because it has a little bit of sweetness to accentuate the beef flavor in those patties, but you can use traditional sesame seed buns if you want. Join us next time on chefclub.tv.